Hi, my name is Amanda Lamone, and I did my project, my Screenomatic, on social media use in the classroom. My survey and its purpose. The survey was developed as an extension to my final project. My goal is to learn about the current social media use by current teachers in the classroom. The setting of the survey was that it was sent via email in Google Forms to high school teachers that are currently in the classroom. The survey collected, it was to see the data on the current use of the social media in the classrooms. The survey development. The writing of the questions was completed by myself. The questions were developed as the goal was to determine what the current use of the social media use is in the classroom. And the teachers were also asked about how they use social media in their personal lives. The data collected process. The survey was open for a few days. However, most of the teachers took it for me rather quickly, and all the people I sent the survey to answered all the questions. The survey was completed on Google Forms, and each teacher was sent the link via email and text message. 10 teachers were surveyed, and all 10 responded. The survey and results. The survey began by showing a short clip of social media in the classroom, which I will actually show you. This is the Google form that I used. As you see, it's a survey of social media in the classroom, and it begins by showing a short clip by Patoon. The teachers were asked, would they like to incorporate in their classroom that is not currently used, and half stated that they would like to use Twitter. One said they had heard of Google Classroom but weren't sure on how to use it. All the teachers answered that they strongly use social media in their personal lives, with the majority of them using Facebook. At the time of the survey, 80% of the teachers said they used YouTube before, and 40% thought that it was good to excellent idea to use social media in the classroom. My interpretation of the results. The finding of my survey was that most teachers use social media on their day-to-day lives. However, they weren't really incorporating it in their classroom, nor did they know how. The majority of the classroom had some technology available, which was primarily computers by 40%, and 20% had like iPads. The primary social media being used right now amongst the teachers was YouTube. As I expected, it was pretty split on the teachers seeing the importance of social media in the classroom, and I think that's why we need to have more training on why it's important for them to incorporate in the classroom. A quote that I wrote in here by our textbook said, using media in the classroom makes students aware of their everyday world of electronic communications. Giving them a better understanding of such resources now will prepare them to be successful in the future. Students not only learn how to use the internet to access educational videos or locate digital periodicals or information, but they also learn the value of respecting and protecting pricey media tools. Something else that I would add about social media in the classroom is, in our day-to-day lives as adults, we are communicating all day long via email, Twitter. It's how we get our news. And so it's very important for the students of today to know how to incorporate media in the classroom because it's something they'll be using later on in life. Thank you.